Good afternoon and welcome to the session number 37 from the chapter of laws of motion. The topic is the calculation of pseudo force in the case of a rotational motion. So I have framed one question based on this topic, and the question here is: a car is moving in a circular path of radius 15 meter. So find the pseudo force acting on the man of 60 kg who is sitting in the car, which is moving with a constant speed of 20 meter per second. So we all know that the pseudo force is an apparent force which acts on an object when observed from the non-inertial frame, and a non-inertial frame is a frame which is either accelerating or rotating. So here the car is moving in a circular path, so this is a rotational motion. Now here the pseudo force, in the case of a rotational motion, the pseudo force is always directed radially outward, that is in the opposite direction of the centripetal force. Now in this case, the centripetal force will be provided by the force of friction. Here the car is moving on a circular path and probably it is moving on a road or on a this rough surface. So here the force of friction will be providing the necessary centripetal force, and the centrifugal force will be acting radially outward, and when both these two forces are equal in magnitude and acting in opposite directions, then the car will be moving in a circular path. And in this case, the pseudo force will be acting in the opposite direction of the centripetal force, that is, it will be acting radially outward, and its magnitude will be equal to, that is Fp will be equal to mv square by r. So this is the formula for the centrifugal force. So the magnitude will be equal to mv square by r. Here m is equal to 60, that is the pseudo force acting on the man will be equal to m v square by r, where m is the mass of the man. So this is equal to 60 and v is given to us as 20 whole square. V is equal to 20 meter per second divided by R. R is given to us as 50 meter. So from here, this will be equal to 400 into 6 by 5. So the pseudo force which will be acting radially outward, this will be equal to 480 newtons. So thank you very much for joining this session. In the next session, we will be continuing with a different type of a question from the same topic. So till then, have a nice day. Bye.